Welcome! We're breaking down the Visa credit card application process for you, specifically for the USA in 2026. Getting a credit card is a major financial step. Understanding the application process is key to a successful outcome. A Visa card is a payment network brand. It's important to remember that banks and financial institutions, not Visa itself, are the ones issuing the actual credit card. The process generally involves preparing documentation, checking your credit, applying, and then waiting for the bank's decision, often done entirely online now. Before applying, make sure you have all necessary documents and information ready. This speeds up the process significantly. You will need to provide basic personal information, including your full name, address, social security number, and sometimes proof of identity. Your credit score is crucial. It tells lenders how financially responsible you are, heavily influencing your approval chances and interest rate. Lenders need to confirm you can afford the credit limit. Be prepared to provide details about your income and potentially documents like pay stubs or tax returns. Not all Visa cards are the same. Before applying, determine what features and benefits matter most to your financial needs. Consider if you want rewards, a low interest rate, or if you need a secured card to build credit. Pick the one that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals. Interest rates, annual fees, and reward structures vary significantly between banks. Take time to compare offers to find the best deal for you. Once you've chosen your card and prepared your information, the next step is formally submitting your application. Most applications are submitted online for speed and convenience, but in-person options are still available, especially if you prefer speaking with a bank representative. Pay close attention to sections covering income, housing costs, and employment status. Accuracy is paramount to avoid delays or denial. After submission, your application enters the underwriting phase, where the lender assesses your risk profile. The underwriting process includes verifying your identity, pulling your credit report, and assessing your ability to repay based on your income and existing debt. Many online applications provide an instant decision, but some may take several days or up to 2 weeks, especially if manual review is required. If approved, celebrate. If denied, the lender is required to send you a letter explaining the reasons. Use this information to improve your next application. Applying for a Visa card is straightforward if you're prepared. You're now ready to take the next step toward securing your new card. Remember, responsible use is critical. Pay your balance in full and on time to avoid interest and build a strong credit history. Check your credit report for errors, apply for only one card at a time to limit hard inquiries, and choose the card that best fits your financial life.